Hi. I'm sorry. So this is my old channel. Yeah. Also, I just looked and I didn't realize. Oh, cool. I didn't realize that. Okay, shush. Don't mind my comment, but all of y'all were so sweet in the comment, and also don't try mine. I'm so sorry for the people if I made you like mad or sad or like upset or something. I'm very sorry. It's just that there was something about this channel that I wasn't really proud of, like, my videos and stuff. Like, I would always, I don't know, like, what the heck is that? Let's just not mind that. Because I have no idea what the heck that is. I've never watched that in my whole entire, but I never watched that in my whole entire life, okay? Yeah, these are all of them. This used to be an Animal Jam thing, but yeah, judge me all you want. All you freaking want. And I can't remember, but I think I used to make my voice sound like a little baby. Also, in most of these videos, you can't even hear my voice. But yeah, this used to be an Animal Jam. I think I have 13 videos. Wow, I was a lame-o. But yeah, I mean, I still am. I will always be a lame-o. Actually, I have 7. I'm sorry, I was randomly reading this. Coco, Molly, and 2 of my pets. I don't have 5 pets, so yeah, lol. That was supposed to say Coco, Molly, and Avi. And supposed to say P.S. I only have 2 of my pets in this video. I have 5, but I mean, I'm dyslexic, okay? But yeah, I'm sorry. I love this channel, and if I never left this channel, I would never came up with this channel, which is really crappy. And also, Star Stable is so laggy right now. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and just in case people that read this and don't believe that it's me, I'm making this video. Like, I'm making it for you. Like, okay, there is not an imposter of me. I do hope that people read this. Or else I'm gonna have to delete this video because I have made this video for no apparent reason. Yeah, I'm happy and you'll be good. But yeah, anywho, hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, and bye.